Are you looking for the best wireless folding keyboard? In this video, we want to the top 5 best wireless folding keyboard on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Jomaa Wireless Folding Keyboard. Elevating mobile productivity. In the dynamic world of mobile technology, the Jomaa wireless folding keyboard emerges as a game-changer, seamlessly blending portability, functionality, and style. This mini Bluetooth keyboard is not just a tool, it's a versatile accessory designed to enhance your mobile experience. Compact design with hidden stands. One of the standout features of the Jomaa wireless folding keyboard is its mini design complemented by hidden stands. These stands not only hold your device securely but also prop it up at an optimal viewing angle. Whether you're using a tablet or smartphone, this keyboard ensures a comfortable and ergonomic viewing experience. Triple Bluetooth device connectivity. Breaking free from limitations, this keyboard can connect to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. With ample memory for 3 separate devices, seamlessly switch between your smartphone, tablet, or any other compatible device. This versatility enhances your multitasking capabilities and provides a better experience across different devices. Compatibility and stability. The Jomaa wireless folding keyboard stands out for its strong compatibility with major operating systems. Switch effortlessly between devices running different operating systems, offering you stability and ease of use across platforms. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for users with diverse tech preferences. Aluminum alloy housing with stand. In a departure from common plastic designs, the keyboard's housing is crafted from premium aluminum alloy. This not only contributes to its durability but also gives it a smooth and luxurious finish. The stand adds a touch of sophistication, making this keyboard a stylish accessory that complements your tech lifestyle. Portable design for on-the-go productivity. Measuring just 202.5 x 46.51 mm when closed, the Jomaa wireless folding keyboard is designed for portability. Slip it into your pocket, backpack, messenger bag, or any case it's ready to travel wherever you go. This level of portability ensures that you can boost your productivity no matter where life takes you. Comfortable typing experience. Despite its compact size, this ultra-thin keyboard delivers a natural and comfortable typing experience. The keys are designed for ease of use, allowing you to type efficiently even during extended sessions. With more than 50 hours of effective usage time on a full charge, the Jomaa wireless folding keyboard ensures uninterrupted productivity. In conclusion, the Jomaa wireless folding keyboard is not just a keyboard, it's a statement of versatility, compatibility, and style. Elevate your mobile productivity with a keyboard that is as functional as it is fashionable. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or a tech enthusiast, this keyboard is the perfect companion for your mobile lifestyle. Number 4. Miffy X Mipow Wireless Folding Keyboard. The epitome of portability and performance. Enter the world of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled portability with the Miffy X Mipow Wireless Folding Keyboard. This remarkable foldable keyboard redefines the user experience, combining an ultra-slim design with impressive features that cater to the needs of modern-day tech enthusiasts. Slimmest and lightest in the world. The Miffy X Mipow wireless folding keyboard proudly boasts the title of the world's lightest and slimmest Bluetooth wireless foldable keyboard. At just 3.5 mm thin and a mere 150 g in weight, this keyboard redefines portability. Its feather-light design and slim profile make it a perfect companion for users who are constantly on the move. Bluetooth compatibility across systems. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.2 technology, this foldable keyboard seamlessly connects to a variety of operating systems. Whether you're using Windows, Apple iOS, or Android, the Miffy X Mipow keyboard offers universal compatibility. It extends its versatility to Bluetooth-enabled devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, Apple TV, and smart TVs. Smart Magnetic Wake-Up/Sleep. The Miffy X Mipow keyboard introduces a smart magnetic on/off switch for a truly portable experience. Unlike other folding keyboards with limited functionality, the Slim Fold comes with a full-size keypad layout. This smart magnetic feature ensures efficient power management, extending battery life and contributing to its user-friendly design. 65 keys with 120 functions. The keyboard's chocolate button design, combined with custom PBT keycaps, provides a wear-resistant and non-greasy touch. The 65 keys offer a full range of functionality, with 120 functions to cater to diverse user needs. This innovative design prioritizes comfort, allowing users to enjoy faster input speeds and relieving finger fatigue associated with prolonged keyboard use. Concave and convex key cap design. The Miffy X Mipow keyboard features a unique concave and convex keycap design, providing a light and comfortable operation feel. This thoughtful design element enhances the tactile feedback, ensuring smooth input and optimal typing comfort for users during extended usage. 120 days standby time with the Miffy X Mipow wireless folding keyboard. The worry of running out of power is a thing of the past. Enjoy the convenience of an impressive 120 days of standby time. This extended battery life is a testament to the keyboard's efficiency and makes it an ideal choice for users who demand reliability. In conclusion, the Miffy X Mipow wireless folding keyboard sets a new standard for portability, performance, and style. As the lightest and slimmest keyboard in the world, it offers a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design. Elevate your typing experience and embrace unparalleled convenience with a keyboard that perfectly complements your on-the-go lifestyle. Number 3. ProtoArc Wireless Folding Keyboard. Unleashing productivity with portable efficiency. In a world where mobility is key, the ProtoArc Wireless Folding Keyboard emerges as a game-changer, offering a perfect blend of portability, efficiency, and versatility. Designed with innovation in mind, this folding full-size wireless keyboard redefines the way we work on the go. Full-size productivity, anywhere you go. The ProtoArc XK1 portable Bluetooth keyboard is ingeniously crafted with a full-size 105-key layout, complete with a number keypad. With dimensions of 15.19 x 4.68 inches, this compact yet comprehensive design allows users to seamlessly transition into work mode from any location. Sync up to 3 devices for seamless switching. Versatility meets convenience as the ProtoArc keyboard enables users to sync up to 3 devices simultaneously across triple Bluetooth channels. With a simple press of a button, you can effortlessly switch between devices, making it compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android devices. Whether you're working on your iPad, phone, tablet, or laptop, this keyboard adapts to your needs. Silent typing with scissor switches. Experience the quiet efficiency of scissor switches as you type. The low-profile keys provide a fluid, laptop-like typing experience while eliminating over 90% of disruptive sounds. Say goodbye to noisy keystrokes while enjoying the familiar tactile feel of traditional keyboards. Rechargeable and portable with a built-in 210 mAh battery, the ProtoArc wireless folding keyboard ensures an impressive 5 months of standby time on a single full charge. The inclusion of a Type-C charging cable further enhances its convenience. Folding down to a compact size of 8.46 x 4.68 x 0.78 inches, it effortlessly fits into your briefcase or laptop bag, making it the ideal companion for travel, libraries, cafes, or any on-the-go scenario. Sturdy durability with aluminum framing. Built with an aluminum body, the ProtoArc keyboard exhibits excellent stiffness, ensuring long-term durability. The smart hinges, designed for repeated folding, contribute to its robust construction, making it resistant to bumps and impacts. The magnetic closure adds an extra layer of security, preventing accidental openings when stored in your bag. Stable high performance. The non-slip pads at the bottom of the keyboard keep it balanced and stable, preventing any unwanted movement during typing sessions. This stability ensures a consistent and reliable typing experience, enhancing overall user satisfaction. In conclusion, the ProtoArc wireless folding keyboard stands as a testament to innovation, providing a practical and efficient solution for the modern, mobile professional. Elevate your productivity on the go with this versatile, silent, and sleek folding keyboard that seamlessly integrates into your dynamic lifestyle. Number 2. Avatto Wireless Folding Keyboard. The perfect blend of style and functionality. Introduction. In this review, we explore the Avatto wireless folding keyboard, a versatile and stylish input solution designed to cater to the needs of on-the-go professionals and tech enthusiasts. Packed with advanced features, this keyboard promises a seamless and enjoyable typing experience. Bluetooth 5.1 chipset. The integration of the Broadcom US Bluetooth 5.1 chipset ensures a keyboard with low latency and stable performance. Users can rely on this technology for a high-quality typing experience, making it a suitable choice for a range of applications. Ultra-big touchpad with left and right click. The Avatto keyboard impresses with its ultra-big touchpad, bringing the laptop touchpad experience to your fingertips. With left and right click functionality, this feature maximizes user convenience, providing a familiar and efficient interface. 3 channels Bluetooth connection. A standout feature is the support for 3 simultaneous Bluetooth connections. This capability allows users to connect the folding keyboard to 3 different devices and seamlessly switch between them, enhancing productivity for multitasking individuals. Big size keycap and scissors switch. Boasting a 1:1 keycap size and layout as a laptop, the Avatto keyboard ensures a comfortable and ergonomic typing experience. The incorporation of scissors switch technology further contributes to the overall typing satisfaction, making it a joy to use. Rechargeable lithium battery. The built-in 210 mAh rechargeable lithium battery is a testament to Avatto's commitment to user convenience. With a long standby time and eco-friendly design, users can enjoy extended usage without the need for frequent recharging or battery replacements. Multi-system compatible. Avatto's wireless folding keyboard is compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac, excluding desk and lock key functions. This wide compatibility ensures that it fully meets the diverse input requirements of users across different devices. Textured PU leather back cover. Elevating the keyboard's aesthetics and feel, the textured PU leather back cover provides a luxurious touch. The combination of a nice hand feel and a business-style design makes this keyboard a stylish accessory for professionals. Tri-folding keyboard. The tri-folding design is a standout feature, combining the input experience of a standard-size keyboard with the portability of a mini-sized one. Avatto has successfully merged functionality and convenience, making this keyboard an ideal choice for users on the move. Conclusion. The Avatto wireless folding keyboard impresses with its blend of cutting-edge technology, ergonomic design, and stylish aesthetics. Whether you're a professional working on multiple devices or a tech enthusiast seeking a portable typing solution, the Avatto keyboard is a commendable choice that seamlessly combines style and functionality. Number 1. Missgoal wireless folding keyboard. Redefining mobile productivity with precision and style. Embark on a new era of mobile productivity with the Missgoal wireless folding keyboard, a technological marvel designed to seamlessly integrate efficiency, reliability, and sophistication. Packed with features that cater to the demands of modern users, this folding keyboard stands out as a versatile companion for those on the move. Cutting-edge connectivity with Broadcom US Bluetooth 5.1 chipset. At the heart of the Missgoal folding keyboard lies the powerful Broadcom US Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, ensuring low latency and stable performance. This advanced technology guarantees a high-quality keyboard experience, free from disruptions and delays, making it an ideal choice for users who demand precision in their work. Ultra-big touchpad with left and right click for laptop-like navigation. Breaking new ground in user experience, the keyboard boasts an ultra-big touchpad with left and right click functionality. This laptop-like touchpad maximizes usability, providing an intuitive and responsive navigation experience that bridges the gap between portability and functionality. Effortless multitasking with 3 channels Bluetooth connection. One of the standout features of the Missgoal keyboard is its ability to connect with up to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. Seamlessly switch between devices with the press of a button, accommodating the demands of multitasking professionals who require flexibility on the go. User-friendly pairing and operation. Achieving a stress-free connection is as simple as pressing FN plus tab for 3 seconds. The indicator light will quickly flash, indicating that the keyboard has entered Bluetooth pairing status. This easy pairing process ensures that users can swiftly connect their devices without any hassle. Enhanced typing experience with big size keycap and scissors switch. The Missgoal keyboard goes beyond expectations by offering a comfortable and responsive typing experience. The big-size keycaps, combined with the scissor switch mechanism, deliver a satisfying tactile response, allowing users to type with precision and comfort. Long-lasting battery for extended productivity. Equipped with a 210 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the Missgoal keyboard ensures extended usage with minimal downtime. This high-capacity battery not only provides long standby times but also aligns with environmental sustainability by eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Universal compatibility and stylish design. The Missgoal keyboard seamlessly integrates with various operating systems, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices. Its textured PU leather back cover not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides a comfortable and stylish feel, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. Twice folding. For unmatched portability with a unique twice folding design, the Missgoal keyboard offers a perfect balance between input experience and portability. The compact, mini size makes it easy to carry, fitting effortlessly into bags or pockets, making it the ultimate travel companion. In conclusion, the Missgoal wireless folding keyboard sets new standards for mobile productivity. With a perfect blend of advanced technology, user-friendly features, and a stylish design, this keyboard is poised to become an indispensable tool for professionals who demand excellence on the move. Upgrade your mobile workspace with the precision and style offered by the Missgoal keyboard.